Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to Fixify, the YouTube channel that teaches you all the how-tos. In today's video today, we are looking at Asana, another all-in-one team building workspace used to help you manage your business and the team that works for it. Now, today we are looking through the basic how-to and getting started using Asana in 2023. Now, obviously, this is the free version, so if you want to come over here and hit the pricing plan, we can check that out. And here we go. This is the basic, premium, and business page. For basic for $0, premium $11, and business $25. Now, I will say, out of every site that we have seen and reviewed, Asana does have the best free and basic plan there is. Unlimited tasks, unlimited projects, unlimited messages, unlimited activity log, unlimited storage, collaborate with up to 15 teammates, list view by projects, board view projects, calendar view, assignee and due dates, project overview, project brief, iOS and Android mobile apps, time tracking, and 100 free integrations with your favorite apps. Now, this is an incredible way to go. Let's come back over here to the Asana homepage. Come all the way up here and hit Get Started. Sign up. So let's go ahead and use your company email. Welcome to Asana. What is your full name? Let's click over here and hit John Doe. What is your primary role? Choose one. We could put in team member. What kind of work do you do? And we could choose all the options we have. Project management, information technology, education professional, and let's just put down other. Continue there. What is your main objective in Asana? Your choice here won't limit what you can do in Asana. Project and process management, personal task management, portfolio and workload management. Now, if we come up here, we can hit project management, which is recommended. Let's set up your first project. What's something you and your team are currently working on? So let's come over here and let's hit Asana how-to video. Continue that. What are a few tasks? Let's come over here to video planning. Video production, thumbnail production. Hit continue. What would you group these tasks or assign to? To do, doing, and done. That sounds good. What layout works best for this project? You can change this later. Lists. Here's the boards. Here's the timeline and the calendar. I personally think that the list or the board looks the best. So if I had to choose, I think I'd personally choose the list, but each looks kind of good. And at that point, it's to each their own. Let's go over here to list and hit continue. Okay, and here we go. Here is the main screen. So for this is the Asana how-to video page. So this is the first simple task. So from here, once we are done with a certain task, you can see right here we have the video planning, production, and thumbnail production. These are all on the to-do list. We can see the person who's doing it, John Doe, the due date, and the priority list. So for low, we're actually going to change that to high. We're going to change all of these to high. And for these, it gives you a kind of little idea for the status. So we have on track, at risk, and off track. We could also turn all of these onto on track. And from here, we also have the doing section and the done section. So let's say we're done with the video planning. We can come over here and hit done. Video production, doing, and then we just have the to-do list for the thumbnail left to do. Okay, let's say you are done with this specific project. Come all the way up here to the left side of the screen. Come all the way up here, hit create. We have a new task, a new project, and a new message. Come over here and hit new project. We can start with a blank project. From here, we could type in Fixify YouTube channel. So from here, this is going to be the all-in-one space for us to work on. Public workspace list. Let's continue there. Start adding tasks. Let's do that. And then from right here in general, let's add some sections. So this one can be week 1, another section, week 2, week 3, and all the way to week 5. There we go. Let's come over here and hit new task. Let's go Monday. Let's go Asana video. Another one, Monday.com. and another one, click up. Now these are going to be all our videos for this current week, week 1. We can add the person who's doing it, that's me. Another person doing it, that's me. Another one, that's me. We can add a due date. So these ones are going to be 13, 14, and the 15th. There we go. And we can do the same thing for every single week. This is just, we're only going to show you really just for week 1. Up here where it says task name, we have the assignee and due date. We could add more tasks or more options. And up here where it says the actual video name, we can go over here to details panel. And we have all the options. So the assignee, the due date, the projects, the descendees, and then the description as well for the little notes list. And then this is the history, or we could add notes. So we could put, hey, John Doe, please get this done. Hit comment there. So we have basically the task list. So we created the task. It has just the little history and the messages. Go and close out of that. Now I am going to show you a cool little thing that you can quickly do. Is if you want to come over here and hit the details panel again, and we just hit Tab T on the keyboard, and now it gives us tags. So we could put video creation. We have that, and then video thumbnail. We also have that. There we go. So now for this video, we have the creation and the thumbnail tag. And you can do that, and you could add different tags for every single option. So let's say this one we could hit social media. Say we have a short video that we want to create. We could hit the tags for shorts. Now, just like in every other team building space, if you come over here to the side, we do have the home, the my tasks, the inbox, reporting, portfolios, and goals. Go over here to my tasks. And it has everything that I have to do. ClickUpMoney.com, Asana video, thumbnail production, video planning, and these are all the actual template ones. And you can hit with these with the project tab, so Fixify YouTube videos and Asana how-to videos. And all the way on the side, it does also show you the actual tasks we're working on, so the Asana video and just the normal Fixify video. So instead of using the Fixify, say instead of naming it like that, we can name it just the ordinary video and have it basically the exact same way as we're doing it here. Coming all the way up to the very top of the list where it says overview and list. Right now, this is the list page. But if we hit overview, you can see how it's doing it there. We could add milestones, key resources, connected goals. We could add we can add the people who are actually doing this, and it gives us this nice little timeline of how we're doing it. This one is on track. List, which is what we were already using. The board, which is another cool way of showing it. Timeline. There we go. The calendar, which does show you the exact days we have to work on it. The workflow, this is kind of going to be another like little timeline or like little keyword connection list. Dashboard shows you all the completed tasks, the incompleted task, the overdue, and the total tasks. Basically, this is like the analytics page. We have the messages. So let's say this is going to be the entire communication hub for your team space. We also have the files. So let's say any files we add to any workspace will come automatically up to here. And just like that, that is the simplest way to use this. This is a very simple site to use that anybody could use it. Even without a tutorial, it is very easy to use. We went over the task lists, how to make a new task, how to invite new people to the workspace, how to create a workspace, and everything that goes along with it. Thank you guys also very much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video for more. Let us know in the comment section below an idea that you want us to go over in the next video. And also, in the description box down below, we do have affiliate links that if you click on it and buy a product, we do receive a small commission, which does help the channel out greatly. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you have a good one. And with that, see you later.